Hi everyone, and welcome. As an application developer, you want to focus on writing your code and not on managing virtual machines or clusters to host your web application. Whenever you're learning how to write code for a new platform, having a quick and easy-to-follow guided path is a great way to get started. That's where the deploying from source code feature to Google Cloud Run is very helpful. This deploy from source code feature takes your application code, whether it's Node, Python, Java, Go, .NET, Ruby, or PHP, and deploys it to Cloud Run without you having to create a Docker file or build the container image yourself beforehand. In this demo, you'll see how to deploy from source by running the command gcloud run deploy.
I have the Cloud Shell editor open to a folder that contains the code for a Hello World Flask Python web app. This folder contains a main.py file and a requirements.txt file. I'll open up a terminal window and maximize it. I'll type gcloud run deploy. This is all you need to type to get started. You are prompted for any required fields. First, it prompts you for the location of your source code, which is in my current directory, as shown in the suggested default. Next, it prompts you for the name of your service. I'll give it Hello Cloud Run. Next, it prompts you for the region to deploy in. My nearest region is US West 2, so that's number 40 in the list. Now it asks if you would like to allow unauthenticated invocations. Since this is a public website, we'll allow public access, so I'll type in Y. Our source code is being zipped up and sent to a cloud storage bucket that will be sent to Cloud Build. Cloud Build is now starting to build the container. We can go to this link to check the progress. Here in Cloud Build, we can see the build process. When the build is done, it will push a container image to Artifact Registry and create a new service in Cloud Run. The build is now complete and it took about a minute and a half. We can now see that our service and revision have been deployed and is serving 100% of traffic. We can now go to the service URL and see Hello World. Let's check out that new revision by going to the Cloud Run Cloud Console page. I'll go to the Cloud Run service and go to the Revisions tab. 100% of traffic is automatically migrated to the newest revision. And here we can see the full path to the container image in Artifact Registry. Let's go to its location by clicking this link. Here it is stored in Artifact Registry. And it is stored in the US West 2 region in the repository called Cloud Run Source Deploy.
Let's recap. The only command you need to know to get started running your apps on Cloud Run is gcloud run deploy. And by deploying your source code directly to Cloud Run, you have a super fast way to get your apps up and running on Google Cloud. To get started deploying your source code to Cloud Run, please check out the following quick starts in our documentation. Thank you for watching this video.